Good morning, guys. I just got here. I'm trying to make my way to this spot to make the first cast. Today I'm planning to visit a few spots, so I don't have really a target fish. I will just go for whatever will be. If there will be some ASP, will be great. Otherwise, perhaps I will give it a try with some soft baits, hoping for a zander. Who knows? The conditions looks quite okay, so let's say that I have high hopes to show some fish. Just stay with me, guys. Whoa. So the first one is here. It's not a big one, but I will just go in these directions to have my pliers, and I will just unhook it directly here in the water, because here you go. Thanks a lot, man. Try to put you here. Whoa. What's this? I think that it will be a small catfish, because I just throw my lure in his head, or something else. No, it's a nice asp. It's a very nice asp. That was nice. That was really, really nice. Come on here, man. That's a nice asp. Here we go. That's a nice asp. Thanks a lot, man. Oh, that was a big fish. I'm not even sure if that was an asp or a catfish. Oh, yeah, that was a hit. And I'm quite sure, no, it got off. That was a nice catfish. Not a big one, but a nice one. That felt like a nice hit. This other setup, the road, it's much more crispier, and the hits are just amazing in this road. It also looks like a quite nice ASP. Oh. Here we go. Nice ASP. Such a beautiful fish. Thanks a lot, man. Okay, I've been fishing here for about an hour. I would say that it's enough for this spot. I would just let it chill for some time. I will just go somewhere else and hope to return here in a couple of hours. Oh, finally! I think that there are almost 5 hours that I'm waiting for this hit. I don't know what to expect. I don't think that it's a very big one. No, it's not a big one, so I will just try to unhook it directly in the water, but I just need my pliers here. Oh, I can't believe I don't have any idea how many different spots have I tried without getting any hit. And this was, let's say, my last resort, because after this I will just go home. Come on. Come on here. Oh, I don't want to fall down. Okay, let's see. Here it is. Thanks a lot, man. It's a small one. It's a very small one. The smallest one for today, but it's very angry. Here we go, man. So, yep, definitely you're the smallest one. Thanks. Okay, this is it, guys. That's all for today. I'm quite tired. It was a difficult session. It was a long one. In a few minutes we'll start. It's getting quite late, so I will just go home. I'm more than happy for the 5 ASP that I caught, and now I would say that I had enough. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you do, so just hit the like button, drop me a message down below, consider to subscribe, and see you next time. Thanks, guys. Cheers.